Alright guys, we're back again. We're on another journey with Waseem Karim, doing his mentorship program and changing his life. So we're on to another job, and the job in question is no central heating. So what's happened, we've spoken to the customer, and the customer said that there was getting hot water, that was okay, but central heating wasn't coming on. But they did say to get some central heating by moving a lever on the motorised valve. So what we said was we're getting no central heating. So what do you think is the problem from what I said?
Well, if he said the central heating works when he moves a lever, so we know the central heating does work. Okay. And so does the hot water.
Now, can you remember from your training in the classroom?
Yep.
When we was doing the wire plan?
Yep.
What can you remember in the wire plan sequence? Can you remember anything?
At the moment I'm getting too mixed up in my mind, but it's...
You're going a bit blank.
I have a little. I'm trying to think which is which.
Right, on the wide plan, what we said, you've got a mid-position valve.
Yes. Now, it rests.
So what did we say about when it's in the hot water mode? What happens?
It rests in hot water mode.
Correct. Okay.
Yes.
So if it rests in the hot water mode, that means it doesn't need no power.
That's right.
Because it's already in hot water mode.
Yep. It needs power to move it to central heating.
Correct. So if it needs power to move to central heating, what do you think now?
So now we need to check whether it's getting power.
Okay, so where does the power come from?
The main junction box?
No. On the wall, to turn the temperature, what we call that?
Oh, room thermostat.
Okay.
Oh yes. So yeah, from the number 3 on the room's thermostat is out.
That's it. Okay. And where does that go?
Number 3 goes...
What colour? Can you remember any of the colours on the mid-position valve?
Okay, we have, on the mid-position valve, we have an orange wire.
Yeah.
We have a grey wire.
Yeah.
And then we have earth, neutral, and live.
You've missed one off though. Just go over it again.
Orange, grey.
Yeah.
Brown.
Yeah.
Blue.
No, there's no brown. These are blue for neutral.
Yep.
These are earth.
Yep.
So there's one more. On the mid-position valve. Not the zone valve, the mid-position valve. So you missed one colour off. I'll give you a clue.
Alright, go on.
There's a car coming up in front of us. Not right in front of us, there's one behind it. There's one in front of it, if you can see it.
No, I can't. A white?
That's it.
Okay.
White?
Yes.
Okay. So what does the white do? You forgot? I'll remind you.
Okay, go on.
So, you set the room thermostat on 3.
Yep.
That sends it out, like you said. It goes to the white on the mid-position valve.
Okay.
And that then tells the motor to work.
Yes.
And then puts into mid-position.
Yep.
So we can get heating. So what we need to be looking at is see if there's power coming from 3 off the room thermostat,
yep,
going to the white.
Yes.
So when we get to the job, that's what we're going to be looking at. We're going to be looking in the junction box wiring centre.
Yep.
To see if we're getting power on the white. And if the valve isn't moving and there's power on the white, what does that mean?
That is the valve.
That's it.
Yep.
That's it. So that's what we're going to be doing when we get to the job.
Again, like you said, listen to the customer, because the customer's already told us the problem.
That's right. That's it. So you just need to brush upon your remembering of what you learned in a classroom.
Yep.
So another thing for you to look at in your own development is to look at your knowledge. You learned it, but you've forgotten it.
Yep, that's right.
So you need to get back in your subconscious mind. Repetition. Remember, I talk about the 4 laws. You don't know, you don't know. That's
Yeah,
conscious,
that's right. Yep.
unconscious incompetence.
Yep.
Then you got conscious incompetence.
Yep.
That means you know you don't know.
Yep.
And then you've got conscious competence, meaning you know, you have to think it through.
That's right.
And then you want to get to the 4th level of unconscious competence, means you're doing it automatically.
That's right. That's right.
Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. So we're on the way to this job. I'm going to see you when we arrive on the job. So bye for now.